Hello all. So is your tablet talking back to you if you press an app? Tonight we are going to be dealing with that issue. So let me show you what I'm referring to. Alright. It's called accessibility mode, by the way. Talk back. Right.
Welcome
So
to
now
Talk.
everything you touch, you will be hearing it coming back to you. Okay.
Welcome to Talkback.
Right,
Page 1 of 5.
let's go through this here. This is for
5.
differently able
107.
persons, right?
7. 110. Close. Button window. Welcome to Talkback.
And
Double
so,
tap to activate.
if this is on your phone, then and you don't know how it reached there, then you'll be very frustrated at this point. Like I pressing,
6.
and nothing
1.
happening. I pressing
E.
the home button, right? So
M.
you will be
Mike.
hysterical at this point, or the person that you want to help would be hysterical. So let's deal with that matter now. First, to begin, we are going to be tapping twice to come out of any options that we are in. That is the way you
Close.
come out.
Button
You press
window.
it,
Welcome to Talkback.
and then you press it again.
Close
Right?
tutorial.
So you'll be pressing it
You can
fast.
come back to it anytime in Talkback. Close
Tap,
button.
and then you tap twice. Right?
Allow Talkback to make and manage phone calls.
Tap,
Double
and then you double tap.
Talkback.
Okay?
Period.
So, let's say we are on the home screen
Reset. Settings.
when
S.
this...
G.
Let's say you are on the home screen when this happens, right?
Talkback. Double tap. Home button. Double tap to activate. Home. Romans 14:23. But he who...
Right. So we are going to go to deactivate it now. Two fingers.
Notification shade. No.
Two fingers to
Home.
pull down
Roman.
your
Notification shade.
sheet.
9:46 p.m.
Then you hold down two fingers again, pull down again. We're going to settings. Tap and double
Open
tap.
setting. Connections.
Then to scroll, you will be using two fingers to scroll. Right? And we're going to
Accessibility.
tap accessibility
Talkback. Mono audio
and double
assistant
tap.
menu. Accessibility. Talkback. Mono audio assistant menu.
Then we are
Settings.
going to tap
Talkback 2 of 10 in list.
and double tap
Talkback.
talkback.
Navigate up.
Then we
Button
see
out
it's
of
on.
list.
Tap.
Talkback on switch.
Then we
Turn
double
off
tap.
talkback.
Tap.
Turn off button.
Double tap.
Talkback off.
Now we are back to normal. We don't need to worry and be frustrated again. Thank you for paying attention to this much needed tutorial. Have a good one.